Fun facts about clematis, the ultimate guide to this beautiful vine. Clematis, often referred to as the queen of vines, is a stunning addition to any garden. With its vibrant flowers and versatile growth habits, this plant has captured the hearts of many gardeners. Let's explore some fun facts about clematis that make it truly unique. A diverse family. Clematis belongs to the buttercup family, Ranunculaceae. There are over 300 species, showcasing a wide variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. From the delicate blue of Aegmaniae to the striking white blooms of Anelli Moser, there's a clematis for every gardener. Climbing abilities. Clematis is a natural climber, capable of reaching heights of up to 10 feet or more. It uses its leaf petioles to grab onto trellises, fences, and other structures. This makes it an excellent choice for vertical gardening, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any outdoor space. Bloom time variety. One of the most exciting things about clematis is its long blooming season. Some varieties bloom in early spring, while others flower in midsummer or fall. This means you can enjoy clematis blooms for several months, adding a splash of color to your garden throughout the seasons. Different flower types. Clematis comes in a stunning array of flower forms, including single, semi-double, and double blooms. Single flowers have a simple, elegant structure, while double blooms feature layers of petals that create a lush appearance. This variety allows gardeners to choose based on their personal taste and garden style. Pruning practices. Clematis may seem high maintenance, but understanding its pruning needs is essential for its health and blooming potential. There are 3 main pruning groups based on the blooming time. Group 1 needs little to no pruning, while groups 2 and 3 require more attention. Learning about your variety can help you maintain beautiful growth and flowers. Companion planting. Clematis pairs beautifully with other plants. Consider planting it alongside roses, as their contrasting colors create a mesmerizing display. Other great companions include hydrangeas and peonies. The vertical growth of clematis enhances the horizontal spread of companion plants, creating dynamic garden layers. Ideal growing conditions. Clematis thrives in a sunny environment but prefers its roots to be cool and shaded. This can be achieved by planting ground cover around the base or using mulch to help regulate soil temperature. Make sure the soil is well draining to prevent root rot, as clematis doesn't like soggy conditions. Attracting pollinators. Clematis plays an important role in attracting beneficial pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Its vibrant colors and abundant nectar make it an irresistible choice for these creatures, promoting a healthy ecosystem in your garden. Symbolism and meaning. In the language of flowers, clematis symbolizes resilience and ingenuity. It's often associated with mental beauty and intelligence. Gifting clematis can convey admiration and appreciation for someone's intellectual qualities and creative spirit. Winter care. While clematis is hardy, it's important to prepare it for the winter months. Cut back dead growth and mulch around the base to protect it from freezing temperatures. In colder regions, wrapping the plant can provide extra insulation and ensure vibrant blooms come spring. Conclusion. Clematis is not just a beautiful vine, it's a multifaceted plant that adds beauty, versatility, and ecological benefits to the garden. With the right care and knowledge, anyone can enjoy the splendor of clematis blooms year after year. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, let clematis weave its magic into your gardening journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.